Hello, my name is Sakara, and firstly, I want to say thank you for this opportunity. And for me, it has been a great honor to be part of this conference. So, this is topic about a framework for GIS-based sustainability assessment for palm oil industry. This presentation is conclude of introduction, research framework, result and discussion, and finally the conclusion and recommendation. So sustainability had several meanings from Brundtland in 1987. Sustainability means meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In simple definition, sustainability is the balance of social, environment, and economy for now and further life. There are dimension and indicator of sustainability performance. So previous research in sustainability assessment provides a very large methodology, including multidimensional scaling, system dynamic, multi-criteria decision making, and machine learning. Geographical Information System, or GIS, is proposed as a new paradigm to assess sustainability performance. It provides a real-time dashboard to provide information of the object comprehensively. In this study, a sustainability assessment with GIS modeling and framework in Indonesian palm oil agro-industry will be proposed and designed. The objective of the research is to design a framework for GIS-based sustainability assessment for palm oil agro-industry. GIS and palm oil in agro-industry in sustainability assessment are such a complete combination since palm oil in Indonesia face sustainability issues, has a very large field which needs to be controlled while using a real-time dashboard with GIS approach. So this is the research framework of this research. For the starters, we start with theoretical design and literature review. With scientometric analysis for GIS and sustainability. Then we continue to analyze tools and technique in GIS and sustainability until we get a bigger picture of GIS-based sustainability. And finally, we can get the framework for further research. The research method for this research is first, GIS and sustainability literature review and explore any advantage for palm oil industry sustainability. Second, a scientometric and quantitative literature review that related to GIS and sustainability that obtained from Scopus database. And the third is the theoretical framework is analyzed the keywords that mostly related to this topic, and that is Geographical Information System or GIS, GIS framework, and sustainability analysis for palm oil industry. Number four is a synthesis is provided to develop the research framework. And finally, a comprehensive methodology is explored that possible to apply in data acquisition and data processing. Okay. Geographical Information System, or GIS, is a computer model to create and represent the Earth's surface digitally. System organized by three main parts, include information management, data processing, and human interactions, part as shown at the figure below. This is a graphic about the distribution of publication related to GIS. As we can see, as the years goes by, the distribution of publication related to GIS is keep increasing by year. And this is the graphic of article distribution by years related to sustainability topic as Scopus database. This is basically the same. The number of article that related to sustainability is keep increasing too by year. There are several GIS applications that can be used in the industry. The first one is industrial development and supply chain management with combined technique of decision support system and green productivity. The second is location strategies with combined technique of land suitability analysis and site selection. The third is environment impact analysis with combined technique of inverse distance weighted. And the fourth one is sustainability assessment with the technique of global sensitivity analysis, sustainability index, and multi-criteria decision making. And finally, the last example is the landslide susceptibility with the technique of fuzzy approach, machine learning, functional trees-based assembles, logistic regression, and multi-criteria decision making. So a big picture for this research is sustainability means capability to sustain and maintain the competitive advantages in economic development, minimize environment impact, and achieve sustainable development. Sustainability assessment provides information of current performance and provide further improvement. In this case, sustainability dimensions and indicators are required. And finally, sustainability dimensions are known as economic, social, and environment. A comprehensive framework is proposed to assess sustainability performance in palm oil industry. Palm oil is one of the largest commodities of Indonesian export. Economic, social, and environment dimension is also implemented for sustainability assessment in palm oil industry. Besides that, a framework for developing a GIS-based sustainability assessment for palm oil industry is proposed. This is the framework of this research. So for the starters, we have to formulate palm oil sustainability indicators. After we get the sustainability indicators, there are primary data acquisition and secondary data acquisition. For the primary data acquisition, the next step to do is export judgment for sustainability dimensions with using MCDM. And for the secondary data acquisition is data processing using multidimensional scaling. And the next step is for the primary data acquisition is to sustainability dimension weights. For the secondary data is the sustainability dimension performance. After that, we can get the data aggregation. And the next step is we can do the GIS implementation. And finally, we can get a GIS-based sustainability performance dashboard. For the conclusion, a GIS-based approach is implemented to assess and monitor the sustainability performance. In assessing the performance, environment, social, and economic dimensions, it's very important to consider the palm oil sustainability performance from the upstream to downstream business. To aggregate the sustainability data, multidimensional scaling and multi-criteria decision-making technique with expert judgments is applied. A GIS-based sustainability framework is proposed for develop a reliable system in monitoring the sustainability performance. And the future works for further research, it requires to validate the framework through and develop into a reliable system. Okay, thank you for your attention and thank you again for this opportunity. Thank you.